Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I'll show you on how to unhide contacts on Facebook. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Messenger app. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider from the top. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on setting icon. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and navigate to privacy and safety. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to navigate to hidden contacts. So you are going to see the person you have hidden on your Facebook chat here. What you need to do is to simply click on hidden. Boom, it's as simple as that. You have unhidden this profile and you can continue to chat with the person without any stress. So basically, this is how to unhide contact on Facebook. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.